So let's begin, okay? Yep, I'm recording. Yes, sure. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, today is 2020 December 2nd, and we're coming to the last month this year. And we can see there's a crazy move of the gold since the Thanksgiving Day are after our consolidation, and the gold suddenly dropped about for our $50, and now it's coming back all the way back to $70. Okay, so and yesterday, sorry, on the Monday, which is 2 days before, in my students group, we successfully captured this 2618 trade that we bought from 1771. And that time we we entered the gold from 1771 and the stop loss put at 1763, and now we are almost getting our 6-to-1 reward and risk ratio. So we have enjoyed this rally a lot. Basically, just all this uptrend movement we captured. Okay, so this is a very good of the gold move, and we're going to update gold for some more. Okay, so this is the first leg of the downside wave, and this is a correction, and this is a second leg down. And we're going to use the Fibonacci tools of trend-based Fib extension, and we can find that the second downfall is just ended at the 1.272 to 1.414 extension place here. Okay, and there is another ABCD patterns somewhere here. So let's draw this ABCD patterns as well, and we can see these ABCD patterns are also completed to the same area, which is 1768. Okay, so with these two information combined, I can forecast the gold's next movement, okay, which will be a cipher patterns completion. So I will draw the cipher patterns for you guys here. So this is a cipher patterns, okay, and this cipher pattern just implies if the gold can support from 1780, this level, 1787, this level, and which is turn point of the pivot here, there's a very high chance for the gold to rally back to 2000 and above. Okay, so believe it or not, you just need to get prepared for these things to happen. All right, I know and I understand there are for sure some of you guys who may we refuse to, to think in this way. Hey, with gold already fought like hell, how can the gold come back all the way back to 2000? Okay, what kind of fundamental events will drive this gold to that high, right? Sorry, I don't have any idea that what kind of fundamental events will come. Okay, but I just simply know that if I were you, I will try to place a buying order, and I will try my best to hold my buying orders from 178 to 2000, okay? So that I can capture the whole uptrend move for the CD leg of the cipher patterns, okay? So I already have the cipher patterns completion at 2000, and I have this ABCD completion here, which I published in TradingView today. That ABCD patterns complete and forms a V-shaped neckline breakout, and I will buy from 1819. And I believe now the price is exactly sitting on 1819. Here, guys, this is what I draw in this afternoon, and this just happened. Okay, so I want you guys to buy this pullback, okay, and aim for a very big rally. Something is going to happen. I don't know which one. I don't know how it happened, but I just know that if we want to buy the gold, it will be now. Okay, because this V-shape already turned the trend. The trend has been changed. The uptrend, the downtrend line was broken. Okay, the Fibonacci extension just hit, and the daily engulfing candle already shows, and today is just to break another high, and this Friday the non-farm payroll is coming, okay, and I can tell you very much likely the 1860 will be broken, okay, because this downfall is actually a fake breakout. You will know that. It actually is a fake breakout to kill all those buyers above and pull the price back to the origin of the uh, upside move here, okay, which is a demand zone here, okay. So this is a weekly demand zone, 1780, and we have an engulfing candle here, and I can tell you guys the gold is going to swing all the back, okay. The first target will be 1888, okay, 1888. Why? Because this is a the 618 retracement point, 1888. So we still have almost 700 pips move, which is $70 move for the gold. Okay, if you understand what I'm talking, give me 5. Yeah. All right, cool. Okay, so try your best to find any pullback or any bullish patterns to capture this move first. And when we have this target hit of 1888, okay, close some profit and wait for the price to pull back a little bit, okay, and then get ready for the next consolidation. Maybe the consolidation will become a triangle, okay, something like this, okay. Maybe you will see a triangle consolidation, something like this, okay. Maybe you will see a structure breakout, okay, or maybe you will see just a huge upside move continuously happen. I don't know, okay, but just get your first target to 1888. Right, wait for the pullback to buy some more, and wait for the breakout to happen and buy it again, and aim 1960 onwards, okay, because eventually my target will be the cipher patterns completion point, which is 2008, somewhere here, okay. So try to capture the whole upside move to that place, okay. Yeah, the sound is clear and the screen is clear, so just make sure you turn on your microphone, sorry, your headphone, and turn on your screen, okay. All right, so this is for the gold, and let's go back to euro dollar. And the euro has a very thorough breakout after the huge consolidation of this wedge, okay. And I published in TradingView, this is a very, very nice breakout, and we should focus on buying the euro, okay. And it did happen, okay, it did happen of this breakout and pullback, okay. So you should still holding the euros long position, and I can tell you this time the euro is going to rally to 1.22 first, okay. And even it may break this point, because in the weekly chart there's a even higher target for the euro, which is 1.26 or 1.32, okay. Remember, there's a gap here, something happening in 2014, okay, which is 6 years ago. There's a gap of the euro here, okay, 1.32, okay. And the timing is also very, very harmonic, okay. So the ABCD patterns will point the euro to 1.30, maybe. Okay, so right now we're still at 1.20, and the first target is 1.22, and after that we just want to track the uptrend, whether it can break this point, because dollar index is confirmed bearish, okay. Dollar index has already broken the new low, okay. It's going to test the previous low here, which is 90 or 89. Hello, Merrick. Okay, so dollar index is bearish, and that's why Aussie remains very strong. Aussie is 0.73. We have buying orders from 0.70 previously here. If you remember my webinar, like 1 month ago, 2 months ago, I said we can buy from 0.70, and Kiwi is really strong. Kiwi all the way goes up to 0.70, and in weekly chart, I think Kiwi is still going to rally to 0.72. Okay, so now you should just focus on the pullback. Okay, when uptrend comes, okay, any pullback you should actually focus to join it. Okay, join the pullback to join the capture the uptrend room. That will be the ideal situation. All right. And for the dollar Canadian is also bearish. The neckline was almost broken because in the 3 weeks ago, the dollar Canadian forms a pin bar here, and after 3 weeks, now we can see a firmed body trying to close down below 1.2950. So this hint gives us a hint the dollar Canadian is going down, right? So just get ready to short the dollar Canadian all the way to 1.24 and 1.22 if you like, okay? You mean dollar Swiss? Yeah, Swiss is strong because the dollar index is going down. Okay, because the dollar index has a 99% similarity with dollar Swiss. Okay, so you can compare these two things together, and you will know that why I say this. Okay, so let me just draw the comparison. Okay, so this is dollar Swiss. Okay, so we compare it with the dollar index. Hey, I think the function is something is wrong here. Oh yeah, it comes. Okay, so if we compare dollar index with the dollar Swiss franc, you can see a 99% similarities with these two things, these two products. Okay, can you see that? So Jeff, all right. So when the dollar index makes a lower low and a lower low, you can see the dollar Swiss also make a lower low, right? Okay, so just short the dollar. Okay, just short the dollar. Another thing you can consider will be Swiss yen. Swiss yen has also broken the break, just break this big consolidation chart. Okay, just like last time when it breaks this place. Okay, you can see the breakout and pullback and another rally. So this is another good place to buy the Swiss yen. Okay, I think Swiss yen we are going to have a brilliant future. All the way back to 122 level of the Swiss yen. Because this is a long-term double bottoms, okay? Yeah, so the Swiss yen is also a very good product to invest in, to buy and hold to 122, okay? And same with Euro yen, okay? I already published Euro yen in TradingView. I said the Euro yen formed a very nice head and shoulder patterns, okay? As you can see here, head and shoulder, right? So the number Euro yen already rallied for 200 pips. I believe it actually almost hit my target. So you can see here, yeah, 126.49 was hit. Okay, so yeah, you see that's easy. How how we actually earn the money. Okay, it's just so easy when you find the good breakout or find the good patterns. Okay, and the Bitcoin hit all-time high, which I mentioned that we want to buy the Bitcoin from the 11K, right? After the triangle breakout, rally, okay, consolidation, and the final rally comes here, and a quick crash happens. And on the Monday, I draw this wedge and said, yeah, the Bitcoin is going to, go back to 16850. And you can see this short is also makes very well. And now the price is trying second time to break out 20K. However, it failed today. Okay, because you can see this candle is strong, this candle is indecisive, and this candle is still indecisive, but the price is going down. So when we look at a 4-hour chart, we can find there are people who are selling the Bitcoin, and the buyers are no longer so positive as before. You see the buyer comes at this candle, the buyer pushed the price back to here, but then there are another sellers comes in, and now I think we could try to sell or short a little bit of Bitcoin because this 19900 was not broken. So maybe we have a downside wave back to 17,000 or 16,000. Okay, so try your best to find some patterns to sell the Bitcoin a little bit. Don't buy it here. If I were you, I want to buy it right at this stage. I will either buy it when it pull back to this neckline maybe, or pull back to 16K just to prove me another time the 16K has good buyers, okay? Because I will suspect the price will move like something like this. It happens, guys. Trust me, okay? It happens, okay? The first wave, the first profit taking people, the second rally but cannot break new high, and then the final crash comes, okay? It happens. I will have highly suspect of this thing to happen. So I will prefer to use a little bit money to sell the Bitcoin, okay? Try to sell it from here to, you know, short it to 14K or 13K maybe. Yeah. And for the Ethereum, is same thing, okay? Our previous loan, which we bought from 500, was very successful, okay? Hit $100, and another back formed the double bottoms, right? And another rally, and I said it may not break 600 at this time, so I already informed you guys to close some profit of the Ethereum. Yeah, try update here. So you guys should actually watch my updates. Okay, I said second rally, but take some profit, may not break 625. Okay, and here we go. You can see the price still struggling very much and formed a bearish pin bar at this time. So yeah, I will also consider to, you know, sell some Ethereum to short it back to 520. Okay, so for buyers, focus on 520 to have your zone entries with buy limit at 520. Maybe you have catch another rally, but for sellers, okay, it's our time to sell high and buy the low. Okay, all right. Okay, for the oil, we are find the oil breakout, hit our stop loss, and we no longer short oil anymore. And then the oil comes a consolidation right after rally to 46. And here's my thought, okay? It actually forms this triangle, okay? There are people who are keep buying the oil from 44.60, and after several consolidation, it actually breaks down here. And the price is now coming back to retest the neckline. So I will rather use a 2618 trade to find a sell at a 45.33. I want to sell it at this level, which is also an inside bar breakdowns point. Okay, I want to sell from here and see whether oil can go back to 43 or 41. This is kind of a double top, okay, double top 618, sell the high of oil. A weekly chart, yeah, also shows oil may come back to 42, okay, because this is inside bar breaks up, okay, so it may retest the inside bars here with 42.51. So maybe we can have a short to here first, and then we see the price action to see whether we want to, you know, have another buy at the time. Okay. All right. So just an update for the Xiaopeng. Okay. XPEV, and I said, yeah, there are some people, you know, who want to take profit here, 72, and now the price come back to 46.95. I think the good time to invest the Xiaopeng will be 40 level. Okay, we may consider to buy it again. Use this structure. Okay, still a good company, still good futures. So yeah, if the price come back to 40, which is the origin breaking out place here, I think the price will rally from this level to back to 64 again. Okay, so find your zone entry at 40 plus. Okay. For the BABA, not very good. For S&P, okay, S&P, I want you guys to take a short, okay, at 3,660, okay, because S&P made a reversal here. You can see the reversal pullback cannot break anymore. So short S&P. Okay, gold already rallied, and S&P is you know, short for a fall. Okay, that correction for the S&P after a long-term rally, and this wedge is going to be broken. So it may goes back all the way to 3,400. S&P is good to take a short. What about Tesla? Okay, my suggestion is take some profit. Don't buy double top already put. Okay, you can see today gap down, so people are selling Tesla. Try to buy Tesla from this gap at 433. This is a triangle. Okay, breakout, and the price may come back to this level. Okay, so don't buy it high, buy it low, buy the low, right? Yeah. Any other questions? For the sterling yen, some the 140 is not broken, so sterling yen is may pull back to 137. Okay, this level, and eventually it may still goes up. Okay, so I want you guys to buy at 137.99. Okay, use this zone for your entry of the sterling yen. Thoughts on NIO is same. Okay, other just perform the same way. So you can see the people are, those institutional sellers are here to sell from 52. It may go back to 28.74, maybe this level or 30 level. Yeah, wait for the price to come back here and have a buy from here. Okay, yeah, I will wait for 28 or 32. Okay, for the entry of the NIO. Yeah. Okay. Any questions? Right. So I think yeah we have covered almost all the other products. Yep. Yeah. Gold is okay. Gold just formed this 4-hour close in the 4-hour candle here. Okay, it actually sits nicely off this structure. So yeah, you can consider to buy the gold right now. Okay, just put your stop loss below 1795. Okay, and you make have a very good rally after that. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention about dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, we can consider to sell the dollar yen. Okay, use this structure to sell dollar yen because this place is not been broken. Reject the price here, so dollar yen may fall from here. Okay. What about German 30? Sure. The European stocks, I think, makes a good performance recently. It's coming to the previous top here. So yeah, maybe we will wait for this to be closed, to be touched of the 13566. So the German 30, I will wait for the price to come back, okay, to this zone, and then you're going to sell it almost back to 12K. Yeah, that could be a highly winning trade. Yeah, just wait for the price to shoot up, okay, form the doji or pin or selling pin, just sell it from 13600 level. Daniel, okay, don't sell it now, okay, although it looks it is coming to this end of this wedge, right? Okay, but it may give you a surprise. It just shoots back. Yeah, shooting star, whatever. Okay, AAPL. Okay, AAPL. Daily chart looks good because this low is getting higher. Okay, and the high is getting lower, but cannot press the price anymore. So the AAPL may have a breakout. Yeah, looks like it's going to have a breakout. So you can buy some APL and aim to 130. I think 130 will be a good level to be take your profit. All right. Good. Okay, so that's all for today. And I think I have give you guys this my hint, my thoughts to to trade these global markets. Remember, okay, use the 2% rule. Okay, use the 2% rule for each trade. Do not gamble, do not overtrade, okay, and find your plan, find your entry, find your stop loss, find your target, okay, before you really active your trades. Okay, 2% loss for each trade and aim for a 2-to-1 reward and risk ratio. Okay, you have to make this in your trading system every time you trade. Okay, you have to calculate. Okay, when I buy the Apple, okay, and I aim here, my stop loss is going to be at 110. My target is going to be at a 130. So I will have a 3-to-1 reward and risk ratio, which is good. And let's go. Okay, so that's a general rule for make consistently profitable trading. All right. And last but not least, okay, if you want to learn from me, you can join my harmonicasia.com, or you can find my course there. I can teach you how to trade like me, how to trade, how to draw those patterns, how to find those good entries, and most importantly, how to win like a pro trader. All right. Yeah, I will upload the recording to YouTube. Okay. Sure, Madden. All right, let's end today. Thank you guys for coming. See you next time. Bye-bye.